So the importance of staying in the problem space is that the opposite is often what I see in reality, and that is that teams, organizations, product managers have an idea and quickly jump into the solution. And maybe they even start building that solution, and everything can happen. It could be the right solution, can be the wrong solution. They discover that too late, it's a waste of time, waste of money, resources, and so on. Instead of going a little bit slower at the beginning and really focusing on the problem that they are trying to solve and the customer needs, and really digging into that so that they develop a full understanding of that before they jump into solutioning. So I always talk about separating the problem space from the solution space. Really understand the problem space first, and then use that information to ideate solutions. And often what happens is that the solution or the best solution that emerges at that point is very different from the first thing that the team was thinking about doing. Why is that? Because they have explored and expanded the set of opportunities and possibilities by really understanding the problem space. I think people very quickly jump into the solution space because we are wired that way. We want to solve problems. We want to get things done, and they come naturally. Making an effort to step back, slow down, understand the problem space before we jump into the solution actually takes an effort. And part of that is training. So I really reinforce that in my classes or when I work with customers. Really trying to help people step back, trying to understand all the customer problem, customer needs, and then use that information to ideate a set of solutions and keeping that solution set open for as long as possible before we can commit to a specific solution that is proven or validated to be the right one. So an example of that situation would be two different business units started a new project building a new internal software application. One business unit approached that directly as a solution problem or a solution effort. So they had in mind the solution, they jotted down all the requirements, and they immediately went to execution and building that solution right away. The problem was that there was no discovery and no exploration of what specific problems they were trying to solve. They had this solution in mind and they went all the way into building it. And the project actually failed because after a year of development, they only built 50% of what they planned to build. It was not the right thing. You get the point. That didn't go well. We took a step back and we said, let's go and talk to customers. Let's really focus on understanding the customer problem, the customer needs. And then from that, let's figure out what is a possible MVP, a minimum viable product that we could build to validate if what we are doing is actually the right thing or not. So in 4.5 months, we were in production with an MVP, which did just a small set of functionality, but did something and helped us prove a key hypothesis. From that on, we expanded, we built the whole product and became one of the most successful products on that technology stack built at that point. So very important to step back, really focus on your customer needs, understand the problem, and then build things iteratively and incrementally by delivering an MVP and then building on top of that after that.